do that without getting your fingers in the way.
So I hold that at the back?
Well, you've got to strike it, the paper is there. And the person who's doing it had both gloves on.
I'm doing it first. Oh.
You come in here, Alice?
They have to have 2 gloves on, don't they?
Yeah, one for both hands, because you've got to put one finger here and then rub the end of this, the very tip.
Hopefully,
you see the tip?
Yeah.
On the paper and hold it with the other hand. So
I don't want to hold it. Can you hold it for me? The right end. Not that end. Quick.
so what, I don't understand. How are you going to light it?
I want you to hold it. And I'll go. So I'm too scared to get burned.
What?
I'm too scared to get
So
burned.
what are you going to do then? If I'm striking and holding it?
No, I'm holding it. I'm striking it. You're holding the paper.
I'll hold the paper.
Here you go.
Away from you. So, 1 minute. Go towards Daddy. No, that's not striking it. Strike it with some force. Drag.
I'll try to.
Wipe it along it, but with a bit of force so you actually get some friction between you
No,
and
no,
the...
no, no. You're not on the paper. She's not on the paper.
That's it. Hold it over there. Just keep it over there.
It's getting too close. Ow. Did that hurt? No. Just felt some heat.
Alright.
Should I blow it out? Mm-hmm.
You've got your turn now. You come around here now. Okay.
Can I do it in mine here?
You can come around here. I'm not reaching around. You come here.
I don't need any hands.
You're going to do both of it, are you?
Yeah. I can do it. Would it hurt? I'm going to sit over here. No, it'll just feel warm.
You've got to hold the very end of it, okay?
No. Or it will hurt you.
And if it gets too much,
Yeah. Drop it.
you drop it in here. Drop it in there if it gets too much, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't just fling it at Daddy. You ready?
This hand is
Can you see the piece of paper you've got to strike it on? Got it?
Oh, can you hold it actually?
Where's the piece of paper gone?
You hold it, I strike it. So you need gloves, don't you? You need gloves.
Have you got the very end?
Yeah. Strike it with some
No,
force.
towards Daddy, not towards me.
I'm scared. Towards Daddy.
Or towards, that's it. That's it.
Wow, look. Green smoke. Should I drop it?
No, not yet.
Now.
No. Drop it in now, yes.
We can do 2 more each. One more each.
So who wants to...
Wait, can we do the sparkling?
No, let's get rid of these first.
Yeah.
And then you can do the spark.
Let me smell my turn. Oh, it smells like smoke. This time I'm going to smell this pan. Smell this pan. It smells like smoke.
Right, just swap round.
Give me the gloves. Yeah. Wait, let me see the fireworks first. The big fireworks. Mom.
Yeah. Come on.
Can I have some candy? Just one.
Just
please?
one.
I had to chocolate penny whilst you were doing it.
Right, you ready? Let me put my finger right on the edge. And then strike it towards Daddy. Oh. Oops.
Let me see. time you have a pink one. You hold it. The paper.
Yep. Right, 1 second.
Your potatoes timer is done.
Alexa, stop.
The glove looks little. There. Oh no.
It's not lit, don't worry.
Is this pink?
Yes.
Or is it normal green?
No, come on.
I used to. I used the green, didn't you?
Yeah, so you strike it towards Daddy. Not towards me, that way. I should put my finger. Oh, 1 minute. Let me get hold of the paper now.
No, don't hold it like that. Get some force now up.
Noah.
Sorry, that's my fault.
Oh, it's bent. Oh, I can't use it. Can I?
You can. Do you want to just hold it out and I'll light the end with the thing rather than you put. Just hold it out and I'll light it like a sparkler. Just hold it out over the.
No, no.
No, you bent it.
Okay.
You applied too much pressure. Just hold the very end.
Okay.
The very end. Oh, Noah.
That's you. You pulled it. You pulled it.
Right.
You did. That's your fault. What are you doing?
Pinching sweet.
What are you going to do?
You'll see. You can hold that.
We'll see. Let's see. Wait, what are you doing, Miss Sweet?
Just don't.
I'm not going to light you. I'm just.
I didn't say you could do it yet.
Are you going to light the
Your
sweet?
vegetable timer is done.
Oh, we're going to light the wrapper.
No, we're not lighting the wrapper. That's just holding it. Breaking it.
Your veg shop timer is done.
Stop timer. And then do it.
Okay.
Your veg shop timer is done.
Oh. Can I? No, that's good.
Your veg shop timer is
Yeah.
done.
Is it going to burn the sweet? Oh no, it's getting near.
Your veg shop timer is done.
Alexa, stop.
Can I take it?
No, don't touch it, don't touch it. Be hot, very hot.
Alexa.
I want to have one of them.
Different timers.
You have one timer. Chicken. You have 19 minutes left.
She needs the Coke, Alice.
Grab out. 19 minutes.
You used the Coke.
What? I used an orange one.
Oh.
Right, gloves on then.
What?
The finale.
Got finale. No, we started the finale. We're halfway through the finale. Oh, it's big ones. This is the end of the finale. What are these? Battlers.
No,
Now for
good.
the sweet.
You ready?
I know, I need one for this. There's more. Coke, so not there.
Right, I'm going to move that. When it gets too much, you put your sparkler in there. Okay?
Can we do the drawings with us, Rattler?
Don't drop it on the floor. Drop it in there.
Yeah, but what if you're too scared that
You drop it in there. No?
Oh, mine's coming.
Hey, happy.
Happy Bonfire Night, you! Happy Bonfire, happy Bonfire, happy Christmas. Lovely firework display.